It's a fantastic finish.
This was Lionel Messi, something like his best again.
His last touch, Steve, he actually takes it away from goal again. Just this one now.
Don't save those.
Do you know what as well? He never looked. He knew exactly what he was going to do with it. Exactly. He never even looked at the goalkeeper. Look, you don't see his eyes move at all at any stage.
So Lionel Messi scores for Argentina to double their lead, just as Safet Susic, the Bosnian